Master the art of storytelling in business communication. How? Experience the full potential of storytelling with this powerhouse PowerPoint presentation that packs a comprehensive training module within. This presentation is your ultimate gateway to the secrets of successful business communication. It also guides you on the significance of storytelling and why it works. Download this presentation from the link below and get immediate access to the complete training module. Here, you will also discover the 5 C's of storytelling: circumstance, curiosity, characters, conversations, and conflicts. Your masterful hold on these elements will turn your audience into avid fans of your narrative prowess. It also includes techniques to help you elevate your storytelling game to leave your audience spellbound and craving for more. Wait, there's still more. Gain access to 7 highly practical storytelling tips that nobody will tell you. Get ready to conquer the world of business communication by downloading this training module from the given link. Don't miss out on this popular resource. Download now to get started or visit www.slideteam.net for more presentations and templates.